Okay, for today's lesson, we are looking at reverse percentages again, but we're looking at a alternative method. So, a car was reduced by 15%. And the new sale price is £3,825. So straight away, we know that 100% take away 15%. The new car is 85% of its original value. So we can say that 3,825 equals 85%. Now on your calculator, I want to work out what 1% is. So I can do that by doing divided by 85. Because 85 divided by 85 gives you 1%. So on your calculator, 3,825 divided by 85, that gives us £45. So £45 is 1%. So to give us 100%, you've got to times it by 100. And I can do this in my head. 45 times 100 is £4,500. And that is our original amount. There we are. Okay, try one more. A car is increased by 15% this time. Okay, so if we increase it by 15%, I'll put it in a different colour. 100% is our original amount. And we're adding 15%, so it's now 115% of the original amount. Okay, so the new sale price is 4,600. Let's have a look. Well, we know that 4,600 equals 115%. So what we want to do here, we want to find out what 1% is, and we're going to divide it by 115. And then when we get that 1%, we're going to times it by 100. And that gives us 100%. That's our original amount, 100%. So let's have a look. We want to divide it by 115. So on your calculator, that gives us a nice £40. So you guessed it, times it by 100, our original amount was £4,000. There we go. That's our original amount. Okay? Lovely. Pause the video here. You've got 8 questions to have a go. 3, 2, 1, pause. Okay, I'm going to help in this very last one. Percentage change, 5% increase. So, if it's an increase of 5%, our new amount is £105. 105%, sorry. New value is £84. So, £84 equals 105%. So, to get 100%, we can divide it by 105 and then times it by 100. That's going to give us 1%. And then 100%. So let's do the same here. Whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. And then we're going to times it by 100. So 84 divided by 105 gives us 0.8. And then times that by 100, £80. There we go. Oops, sorry. And that's our original amount. Lovely. Okay, let's move on. Actually, I want to show you one more. I want to show you how we do one without a calculator. I want to show you question 4 quickly. 10% decrease, so I can see straight away £180. Ooh, pen's just dead. So right out to charge is £180 is going to equal, well, 10% decrease, so 100 take away 10 is 90. So what you can do is, see if I can get this up, 180 equals 90%. Now, without a calculator, I can simplify that by 9 because there's nice numbers here. So I can now see straight away 20 equals 10%. And then all I have to do now is times it by 10. And there we are. That's a nice way of doing it without a calculator. But you're still keeping it proportional throughout. Okay, let's move on. Another practice question, I'm going to have to go with this worded problem here. So Ezra has a pay rise of 7%. So it's a pay rise. So what does that mean? And then his salary now equals £27,392. What was it before the pay rise? So pause the video here. And then let me just give you a hint. 3, 2, 1. This value here equals 107%. That's your hint. Okay, let's go back. Okay. Right, one more model. 70% of all children in the class are left-handed. 14 children are left-handed. So we know straight away 14 equals 70%. How many are there in the class altogether? Well, the total class is 100%. That's our goal. What I can do straight away, what I can do here quite nicely, I can divide this by 7. You could divide it by 70, but 7 is a bit of a nicer number to work with. And that gets us 10%. So 14, and by the way, I'm doing this because it's a non-calculator. You can see that here. Divide it by 7. So 2 people equal 10%. So how do I get 100%? Simply times it by 10. And there we are. 20 people is in the original class. As a bonus question, how many people are right-handed? Well, if there's 20 in the class and 14 are left-handed, what we have to do is take them away from each other. 6 people are right-handed. There we are. Great. Okay. The rest of the lesson, you don't have to worry about getting through all 6, but can you work yourself through this? In the last 10 minutes, I want you to stop off the lesson, and I'm going to give you a few application questions on a Google form. So do as much as you can until 10 minutes to go. Right, off you go. Pause the video, and I'll be online to support.